Standard First Subject English. Hello students, my name is Mrunal and our topic for today is Sounds of Letters. Our today's topic is related to a previous topic. In a previous topic, we learned about some letters, words and their sounds. Today also, we are going to learn about some new letters and their sounds. First, let us revise the letters and the sounds which we have learned in our previous topic. So, say the name and the sound of the letters. The first letter here is letter E and the letter sound is egg, elephant. The next letter here is letter M and the letter sound is monkey. Next letter is letter T. The letter sound is tiger. Next letter is letter A. The letter sound is ant. Apple. Next is say the name and the sound of the letters. So here our first letter is letter S. First capital S, then the small letter S is written. And our second letter is letter L. Capital L and then small letter L is written. So our letters for today are S and L. Now let's learn the sound of these letters. The first letter is letter S. The letter sound is snake, sun. Next letter is letter L and the letter sound is lion. Lemon. After that, say the sounds and read the words. Now, let's read the words. So, our first word is sat. Repeat after me. Sat. Next is set. And our last word is met. Again, say the sounds and read the words. The words are set. Repeat after me. Set. Next word is met. Yes. After that, sat. Yes. And our last word is mat. Yes, very good. Now, let's read some more words again. So, the first word here is let. Yes. Next is mat. Then sat. Afterwards met. And the last word is set. Yes, very good. So now you can read the words by your own. Now, as we know the sounds of letters and the words, next is look at the picture and read the story. Here you can see the picture. In the picture you can see 3 students. 2 are sitting and 1 is standing. So now let's read the story. The topic is Sam is here. Matt met Tam. Tam said, Sam is here. Matt said, he is here. Tam sat. Matt sat. Sam sat. Now I will read the story once again. This time you have to repeat after me. So let's start. Sam is here. Matt met Tam. Tam said, Sam is here. Matt said, he is here. Tam sat. Matt sat. Sam sat. Yes, very good. Our next story is Let Sam Play. In the picture you can see 3 children are playing. So let's read the story. Sam met Matt. Sam met Tam. Matt said, let Sam play. Tam said, let Sam play. Sam, Matt and Tam play. Now I will read the story once again. This time you repeat after me. So let's start. Let Sam play. Sam met Matt. Sam met Tam. Matt said, let Sam play. Tam said, let Sam play. Sam, Matt and Tam play. Very good. Here are the common words from a story. Said, hear, play. Repeat after me. Said, hear and play. Let's take a recap of sound of letters. So, say the name and the sound of letters. The first letter here is letter S, capital S and small s. And the letter sound is snake, sun. The second letter is letter L. And the letter sound is L, L, L. L, L, lion. L, L, lemon. L, L, light. Also let's revise all the words once again. So say the sounds and read the words. The first word is met. Met. Next is sat. 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 Afterwards Tam. 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 Next word is set. 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 Then mat. 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 And the last word is let. 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 Now here you can see only 2 letters are beginning with the capital letter because they are proper nouns. The words which are not proper noun, we do not begin them with a capital letter. Here are some dictation words for you. The first word is says. S-A-Y-S. Says. Next is let. L-E-T. Let. Afterwards met. M-E-T. Met. And the fourth word is long. L-O-N-G. Long. Next sat. S-A-T. Sat. Last word is careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L. Careful. Let's do some activities. Our first activity is write a word for the given pictures. Here you can see 2 pictures are given. You have to look at the picture and write a word for each picture. So what word you will write for the first picture? Sat. Yes, very good. S-A-T. Sat. As the man is sitting on a chair in the picture. So the word we will write is sat. And what word you will write for the second picture? The word for the second picture is met. As you can see, both the men in the picture are doing handshake. And when we do the handshake? When we meet someone. Now, we do not do handshake due to the pandemic or COVID. But before, when we used to meet people, we used to do handshake. Our next activity is choose the correct letters from the box to complete the words. Here in the box you can see 4 letters are given: S, L, E and T. You have to choose the correct letter from the box and complete the words given below. Next is look at the pictures and fill the blanks by writing the name of the objects. The first sentence is a dash is on the mat. And the second sentence is the teacher puts the dash under the table. You have to look at the picture and fill the correct word in the blank. Here are the answers of the first and the second activity which we saw now. So, the words which we made by choosing the letters are: first is met, then sat, then let, and the fourth word is mat. And the answer of our second activity, which was look at the pictures and fill the blanks by writing the name of the objects, are: answer 1 is cup and answer 2 is book. Now, let's see our next activity. Match the following. Here you can see 2 pictures and at the other side 2 sentences are written. On the table, under the table. You have to match the picture with the correct sentence. Next is match the word to the picture. Here you can see 3 words are given: play, sit and Sam. And at the other side 3 pictures are given. You have to match the word with the correct picture. Let's see your homework for today. First is read the stories at home. 2 stories which we read that you have to read at home. Second, write the words set, sat and let. These 3 words you have to write 3 times and frame sentence from each word. I hope everyone will complete their homework. Thank you.